Where are the shopping carts? Where are the shopping carts?
Excuse me, where are the tomatoes? Excuse me, where are the tomatoes?
These apples look very fresh. These apples look very fresh.
How much does this cost? How much does this cost?
I need to buy some milk. I need to buy some milk.
Which aisle has the bread? Which aisle has the bread?
I will grab some snacks. I will grab some snacks.
Where is the chicken? Where is the chicken?
Is this yogurt fresh? Is this yogurt fresh?
I need a bottle of water. I need a bottle of water.
Oh, it is out of stock. Oh, it is out of stock. Can you help me reach that? Can you help me reach that?
We need to weigh these vegetables. We need to weigh these vegetables.
Where is the frozen food section? Where is the frozen food section?
Do you have paper bags? Do you have paper bags?
I will put this back. I will put this back.
Let's go to the checkout lane. Let's go to the checkout lane.
Can I pay with a card? Can I pay with a card?
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Can I have the receipt, please? Can I have the receipt, please?